everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be all about getting ready for 2025 because it is here and that is terrifying. As my regular subscribers would know, this year has just been a bit of a write-off. So we are not going to repeat that energy in 2025, which I'm pretty sure is the same thing I said at the end of 2023, but this year it is not happening again. We have been through some of the worst stuff we have been through in our lives this year, and it can only go up from here. So that is the plan, and today I need to sort some shit out so that I can go into the new year with a clean mind and a clear head and just get cracking, basically. Hopefully I can carry this kind of end of year motivation into the year and just get into a good routine, because that is what the main problem was this year, is that just stuff just kept happening and I couldn't get a routine down. So hopefully with the path that we're on now, I will be able to get into some kind of routine. But before all of that, I need to tidy, so let's jump into the time lapses. Okay, so game plan did not game plan. It is the next day. We actually ended up going to Bonnie Doon for a late lunch date day kind of afternoon situation, which was really fun. And we also tried out my drone that Evan got me for Christmas, which is this guy right here, which is the DJI Neo, and I am so excited to use this when we go away and things, because every single time that we go away I film a whole bunch of stuff, and there are such beautiful views when we go up to the lake and other places, and I never end up using any of it for a video because it doesn't match my vision. And hopefully now that I have the drone, I will actually be able to execute the vision that I have with those kind of vlogs. So basically yesterday I got done all the pre-cleaning, organizing that I wanted to, and then we headed off and we had our fun afternoon. And then this morning I got a whole bunch of the errands done and I am back home now. So I am sitting down ready to go through my goals and everything, but I cannot for the life of me find the little book that I wrote my goals in last year. I had it a few days ago. So I'm looking around like it's gonna spontaneously appear out of nowhere. I cannot find it. I don't know where it is. I don't know what I've done with it. I've looked everywhere. But anyway, I now can't look at what my goals were from last year, which isn't really the worst thing because I do know what some of them were because we did not achieve them, and it makes me sad. I still don't know if I was going to actually read them out and talk through it with you guys, or if I was just going to sit here and reflect, because I do know that they were going to make me sad, so I don't know if I would have been capable of talking through them or not. But anyway, that decision has been taken away from me because I cannot find it anywhere, which is very annoying. But I can do new goals. So that is the plan. I'm going to sit here now and do some new goals. I did also want to begin to create a content calendar. I won't be able to do that yet because I have not been to Kmart to find the potential calendar that I want. I don't even know if they're selling it this year. But if I cannot get my hands on that one, I do have a digital version that I could try. I just know that that's not going to work as well for my brain. I need a physical, tangible book. I need it in front of my eyes. like this so that I will remember. But anyway, I have these 3 books that I'm gonna make do with, one of which, this one is going to be just purely for YouTube stuff, so ideas on videos, breaking down what I'm gonna do before I film them, all that kind of stuff. So that I will do my content plan in, and then these 2 are going to just be like general life stuff, and I just have one of each size because I like to take one with me sometimes, so I've got a mini. What I think I'm gonna do is basically just put down everything on this page that I want my life to be next year, like what I want my life to look like, where I want to be, what I want to be achieving, blah 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 blah, all that kind of stuff on here, and then I will kind of break that down a bit into like the actionable stuff that I need to do to make that happen. That's the plan. We'll see how far we get. I want to, at very minimum, get the brainstorm on here and then move on to getting all of the ideas for January into this book, which I will talk to you about when I'm writing it, because I'm gonna give you guys a heads up on what's gonna happen through January. But anyway, let's do this brain dump and get it all out of my head so that I can make it happen, hopefully. I have like a bit of a vision. I've kept it relatively simple because I know last year I went like way too big and it just wasn't achievable, especially given all the curveballs that life threw at us. So I've kept this relatively simple. Like for example, this year I knew that I wanted to walk the dogs for like an hour every day, join the gym again, and then something else as well, like some other kind of exercise movement related thing. I think it was start doing Pilates as well as joining a gym. As a person who does literally nothing, that didn't happen. So in terms of a physical kind of goal, I've literally just written, I am in love with moving my body. So that's the kind of vibe that we're going for here, is that we are going to move towards a state of mind as opposed to setting exact tasks that I need to achieve. Because if I try to join the gym and it's not working, I need to try something else instead of trying to achieve that, you know? Anyway, so that's my basic plan for 2025 that I'm going to go away and kind of break down more later on tonight. I am now going to move on to dumping out all of the video ideas and things like that that I have in my head, because basically all throughout January I am going to start something that I am still not sure the name of. It's going to be some kind of like sorting out my shit series. That might even be the name, I don't know. But each week I am going to tackle something that I have been wanting to achieve for a really, really long time, whether that be in a short form video, long form video, I don't know yet, but I am going to put down all of those things and then make some kind of plan in terms of what I will post each week and all that kind of thing before the new year arrives. Because what I want to try and do, this is obviously going to be very loose again because I'm not setting myself up to fail. If I don't achieve it, it's fine. But I would like to stay kind of a month ahead in knowing what my content is going to be. That obviously has wiggle room, but my brain functions best when I'm organized and I know what needs to be done when, etc. So the whole like doing things on the fly and just coming up with the video ideas and doing it and putting it out that week, it's fun and it's great, and I will give myself wiggle room where if some like inspiration hits or whatever, I will do that. But I can't do that 52 weeks of a year because my brain doesn't work that way. So if I have a rough timeline, rough plan, and I'm prepared for a few weeks in advance, then that gives me something to follow, but then I'm also not gonna be too strict on myself that I can't deviate from that. So that's the plan. Now I'm going to sit down and write all of this stuff out. I'm not going to show you me writing on a book again because that's just the exact same thing as what I just did. So I'm just going to leave this video here. Hopefully it has turned into something, because it has kind of been over 2 days and I'm not really sure what I have filmed and what I didn't and everything. So we'll see what this turned into. But But I hope you guys have an amazing, amazing New Year's. Enjoy time with your family, time with your friends, time with your pets, time with whoever you need to spend time with. And let's have an amazing 2025 together and prioritize ourselves and our well-being. If you enjoyed the video today, please give it a like. Let me know what some of your goals are, what kind of mindset you're going into the new year with. Let me know if these random rambly thoughts kind of helped you process what you want to do for next year. I don't know, let me know in the comments. I love having a chat with you guys. And with that one, I will see you next week for our first January video. All right, bye guys.